Good morning! I am teacher Shiela, a grade 4 science teacher. Get ready for today's lesson. Before we will start our lesson for today, I hope you had a great day ahead. May I request everybody to lend me your eyes and ears as our discussion run through. Sit where you can easily see and hear. Avoid talking with your seatmates. Have all of your material, such as pens, paper, notebooks, and then take down on your notes the important details. Our topic is about specialized structures of terrestrial and aquatic plants. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to: number 1, identify the specialized structures of terrestrial and aquatic plants. Number 2, classify which plant could grow in a particular habitat. Number 3, internalize the importance of plants in the environment. Now, let us guess. You have to identify the names of some plants and you have 5 seconds to guess. We have our first picture. The correct answer is aloe vera. You are correct. Next picture. The correct answer is cactus. You are correct. Next picture. The correct answer is mango tree. You are correct. Next picture. The correct answer is water hyacinth. You are correct. Last picture. The correct answer is orchids. You are correct. And now, let us refresh our previous lesson that we discussed already. Animals have different body structures in getting or eating their food and how to protect themselves from their enemies. Now, let us find out. You have to identify the following pictures if it is adaptive structure of animals living in water or in land. You have 5 seconds to guess. Number 1, we have scales. The correct answer is water. You are correct. Number 2, we have feeders. The correct answer is land. You are correct. Next, we have fur. The correct answer is Land. You are correct. Next, we have gills. The correct answer is water. You are correct. Next, we have wings. The correct answer is land. You are correct. And now, let us unlock some words that we can encounter as we go on with our discussions. Terrestrial plants are plants that grow in land. Aquatic plants are plants that grow on water. Specialized structures is the special parts of plants that will make them adapt to the kind of habitat where they grow. Now let us identify their specialized structures. Number 1, what specialized structure is common among roses and calamansi tree? A. Stinging hairs. B. Flat broad leaves. C. Thorny stems. D. Fibrous fruits. The correct answer is letter C. Thorny stems. You're absolutely correct. Next, number 2. Cows don't feed on talahib grass because these plants have blank. A. Offensive odor. B. Poisonous leaves. C. Thorns. D. Razor-sharp leaf blades. The correct answer is letter D. Razor-sharp leaf blades. You are absolutely correct. Number 3. Cactus can grow in dry soil and survive the heat of the sun over a long period of time because of its blank. A. Fine hairs. B. Sharp leaf blades. C. Thick barks. D. Thick and fleshy stems. The correct answer is letter D. Thick and fleshy stems. Okay, we have our activity 1. What am I? First, we have pineapple plant. What specialized structure or characteristics of pineapple? It has spines in their leaves. Yes, you're correct. Next, we have durian plant. What specialized structures or characteristics of durian? Its fruits has a pungent odor that protects them being eaten by predator. Okay, you're correct. Next, we have cactus plant. What specialized structures or characteristics of cactus? Cactus, it has fleshy stem to store water for a long time and spines to protect from predators. You're correct. Next, we have lemon. What specialized structures or characteristics of lemon? It has a thorny stem and branches. Its leaves and fruits have strong smelling oils that have unpleasant taste. Next, the last one, we have kugon or talahib. What specialized structures or characteristics of kugon? It has a sharp leaf that might cause you harm. Okay, we have guide questions. Based on the activity, what are the identified specialized characteristics or structures of the given plants? The specialized characteristics and structures of the given plants are their fruits, flowers, stem, leaves, and pungent or unpleasant odors. Next question, what made them characterized as specialized characteristics or structures? They are special because other plants do not have their special characteristics or structures. Okay, we have activity 2. Where do I live? Let us classify the plant that can grow on terrestrial or aquatic habitat. Encircle the plants that belong to their habitat. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. Okay? These are the terrestrial or the land plant, cactus, rose, and tree. Next, for the aquatic or water, we have water lettuce, seagrass, water lily. Okay, you're absolutely correct for your answers. Okay, we have guide questions for activity 2. Based on the activity, where can plants grow? Plants can grow on land and in water. What are the plants that can grow on land or water? Plants that can grow on land are cactus, rose, and a tree. Lotus, seaweed, and water lettuce live in water. Okay, things you should know. We have specialized structures of terrestrial and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants that grow on land or need to be in dry land to survive. They need nutrients in order to survive both from the air and the soil. Some plants have hard branches while others have smooth or soft stems. Some plants have thorns and hairs as their specialized structures. Aquatic plants that grow in water. They can only grow and thrive in water environment. Some aquatic plants can live out of the water, but they need to be placed again in water for survival. Some aquatic plants are classified as submersed. Characteristics of submersed plants includes having all or almost all of the plant growing underwater. For example, we have eelgrass. Next, we have sago pinewing. Next, we have water milfoils. Aquatic plants. Others are immersed aquatic plants like lucky bamboo, golden photus, and Callia lily. They have stem, leaves, or flowers that grow out of the water. Okay, we have lucky bamboo, golden photus, and Callia lily. Specialized structures, special parts of plants that will make them adapt to the kind of habitat where they grow. Thorns and hairs are some of the specialized structures of plants. Thorns and hairs protect plants from animals. Example, we have rose and razor sharp blades of talahib leaves. Shapes, sizes, and nature of the leaves are present in order to adapt to its environment. Stems of many plants have different specialized functions. Roots of the plant also adapt to their habitat. Specialized structures. There are different plants also with specialized structures that enable them to survive and adapt to their environment. We have durian. Its specialized characteristics or structures. Its fruit has a pungent odor that protects them from being eaten by predators. Next, we have kalumpang tree. Its flowers have an unpleasant odor that attract insects to pollinate. Next, we have bird of paradise. It has a thick cuticle that filters strong light and avoid excessive water loss. Next, we have talahib or kugon. It has a sharp leaf that might cause you harm. We have also pineapple. It has spines on their leaves. Cactus. It has fleshy stem to store water for a long time and spines to protect from predators. It can grow in dry soil with small amount of water. And the last one, we have citrus plant. It has a thorny stem and branches. Its leaves and fruits have strong smelling oils that have an unpleasant taste. Okay, now let's check what you have learned. Are you ready? Okay, activity number 1, we have color me up. Directions: identify the plants and put color in which habitat they belong. Color yellow for terrestrial plant and blue for aquatic plant. I'll give you 15 seconds to answer. Okay, we have strawberry, mango tree, water hyacinth, corn, water lily, lotus, sweet potato, onion, seaweeds, and nara. Time is up. These are the terrestrial plants and you color it with yellow. We have strawberry, mango tree, corn, sweet potato, onion, and nara. You got it correct. And these are the aquatic plant and you colored it with blue. Water hyacinth, water lily, lotus, and the seaweeds. You're absolutely correct for your all answers. For the activity 2, find my specialty. Directions: identify the specialized parts of the following plants. Choose from the box below and choices can be answered repeatedly. Okay, we have fruits, flower, leaves, stem, and roots. Number 1, we have bougainvillea. Number 2, we have dorian. Number 3, euphorbia. Number 4, gabi. Number 5, water hyacinth. Number 6, radish. Number 7, potato. Number 8, banana. Number 9, cactus. Number 10, kalumpang tree. Okay, time is up. For bougainvillea, number 1, the specialized parts is its stem. Number 2, specialized part is its fruit. Number 3, the euphorbia, its specialized part is stem. Got it correct. Number 4, we have gabi. The specialized part is leaves. Got it correct. Number 5, we have water hyacinth. The specialized part is roots. Got it correct. Number 6, we have radish. The specialized part is roots. Got it correct. Number 7, potato. Correct answer is roots. You got it correct. Number 8, banana. The correct answer is its leaves. You're correct. Number 9, we have cactus. The correct answer is stem. You're correct. Number 10, we have kalumpang tree. The correct answer is flowers. You got it correct. Now we have questions. Number 1, are plants as important as other living things and why? Okay, yes. Because living things cannot survive without plants. And plants can give food to all terrestrial organisms, including humans. Plants maintain the balance in the ecosystem. and they produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Next question, number 2. How will you take good care of the plants in your surroundings? By giving them water and protect them from predators. Okay, quiz time. Good luck! Okay, direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answers in your notebook. I'll give you 15 seconds to answer. Number 1. What plants grows in water? Letter A, banana. Letter B, coconut tree. Letter C, water lily. Letter D, mango tree. The correct answer is letter C, water lily. You are correct. Number 2. What plants grows on land? A, water lily. B, water hyacinth. C, lotus. D, papaya tree. The correct answer is letter D, papaya tree. You are correct. Number 3, we have which of the following plants has fleshly stems as their specialized structure to conserve water for a long time? A, cactus. B, cogon. C, pineapple. D, strawberry. The correct answer is letter A, cactus. You are correct. Number 4. What specialized structure is common to rose and bougainvillea? A, both have stinging hairs. B, both have sticky leaves. C, both have thorny stems. D, both have fibrous fruits. The correct answer is letter C. Both have thorny stems. You are correct. The last one, number 5. Which of the following plants is characterized plants by a sharp leaf that might cause you harm once you touch it? A, ginger. B, calamansi. C, rose. D, cogon. The correct answer is letter D, cogon. You are correct. And now, let us an assignment. Directions. Make a portfolio from cut-out pictures of plants from magazines. Describe each plant and be able to identify whether each plant has specialized characteristics or structures. Okay, congratulations! You did well in this lesson. That's all for today. Until next time, thank you.